Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today we'll basically talking about L hospital rule. And if you talk L hospital rule, this is one of the very much important topic for covering the questions related to limit. And you can go through various paper of GATE. In many papers for various subject, you will get at least one or two questions from this limit topic, and you can solve those questions very easily using L hospital rule. Now let's talk about how to proceed with this. This is the question. The question came at GATE C 2021 paper, 2021 paper. But you can check out different papers such as GATE Biotechnology, GATE Computer Science, Mechanical Engineering, any paper. These questions are very common. Now, what is the question says? Limit x tends to 1 by ln x minus 1 by x minus 1. Now, just do one thing. If we solve it like this only, limit x tends to 1 ln x into x minus 1, and here we can put x minus 1 minus ln x. Now put the value of x here. You can identify that ln x means ln 1 equals to 0, 1 minus 1 0, and this comes as a 0 by 0 fraction. When by putting a value of limit value in the function, you get the final value like 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite. Then we have to go for L Hospital's rule. L Hospital's rule. Now, what does it say? This is a very simple thing. You are getting the value like this is 0 by 0. Now, how to solve it using L Hospital's rules? When any fraction seems like this, you have to put the differentiate the upper fraction and lower fraction separately until unless the value alters from these zeros by 0 or infinite by infinite fractions. Okay, now solve it. From this, we get this fragment. From there, we go it like limit x tends to 1, keep it same. First ddx if dash x minus 1 minus ln x by f dash ln x into x minus 1. It's a very simple thing. We just differentiated upper and lower fractions. From that, what will be the answer? You can just identify this will be limit x tends to 1, ddx of x equals to 1, ddx of 1 equals to 0, and ddx of ln x means 1 by x. And lower function, that is again ddx of ln x, this is a multiplying sort of thing, means x minus 1 into ln x, ddx of ln x equals to 1 by x, plus keeping the first fraction constant, that is ln x, and ddx of this function, ddx of x equals to 1 into 1. Okay, this is the f dash value. Now you can do one thing, put the value of x here. Here you can see this is 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 1 means 1, means upper fraction is 0, and here also 1 minus 1 0, and this second turn into 0 by 0 means this is not again solved. What we need to do right now, we have to go for f double dash right now. Now just simplify these things in such a way that limit x tends to 1, what it will be look like, this x minus 1, upper side will be x minus 1, and lower side it will be like x minus 1 plus x ln x. Okay, this x it will be cut it down, and from that section it will be like this. Now I can do this. That is f double dash. This function again we need to reduce of these things, means double dash of this function. That is limit x tends to 1 if dash, or you can say if double dash of this, or if dash of this, x minus 1 by if dash x minus 1 plus x ln x. Okay, now solve it. It will be like what? Limit x tends to 1 f dash x equals to 1 minus 0, means f dash 1 equals to 0, and lower set f dash x 1 minus this will be 0. Now this will be plus x ln x, x constant for ln x, that is x into 1 by x means 1 plus ln x into dx of x, that is 1, that is ln x. Now this fraction is not equals to 0 by 0, sorry, it seems like percentage. It neither equals to 0 by 0 nor equals to infinite by infinite. Means now we can solve it by putting the value of limit. Now let's putting the value of limit. Now what will be like this? 1 and lower side 1 plus 1 limit x ln of 1 equals to 0, means it will be 1 by 2 equals to 0.5. That is the answer. Now this is a very one of the most simplest concept for solving the various questions of limit, and you can expect at least two questions of 2 marks each in GATE in biotech paper. Like apart from this, computer science, mechanical engineering, electrical. For it, apart from Boolean, you can get multiple questions on this, but at least you can expect on various paper at least 2 questions from this topic. Even for WBJ, for JEE main also, you can expect such questions. Thank you. From the next video, we'll again cover up some other things as well. Thank you. Goodbye.